Hello my dear students, welcome back 9th class. Today I will continue with the chapter that is tissues. In my previous video I have continued with meristematic tissue, what actually the meristematic tissue and what are the different regions of meristems. Now today I am going to start with permanent tissue. Now what is permanent tissue? Permanent tissue, when meristematic tissue, I already told you it helps in growth of the plant. Clear student? When meristematic tissue loses its ability to growth, then it gets converted into permanent tissue. Very important student, meristematic tissue, it is continuously growing. But the time comes when it loses its ability to divide. Clear? When meristematic tissue loses its ability to divide, then it is known as permanent tissue. Clear? So there is the big difference between meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Before I start with the different types of permanent tissue, I'll tell you about what is differentiation. Very important student, what is differentiation? It is the process of taking up the permanent shape, size and function is known as differentiation. Again I am repeating, what is differentiation? It is a process of taking up of the permanent shape, size and function. It is known as differentiation. Clear? Once the differentiation starts, the permanent tissue will form. Clear? Now come back to permanent tissue. Permanent tissue are of two types, that is simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Now first I'll go with simple permanent tissue, then I'll continue with complex permanent tissue. Clear? Now in simple permanent tissue there are three types. Again it is subdivided into parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Clear student? Now first I'll go with parenchyma. Now parenchyma, these cells, that is they are totally green in color. parenchyma tissue, जब भी आप प्लांट में देखेंगे कोई भी अगर ग्रीन कलर का पार्ट है, that means it is parenchymatous tissue. And yes, why it is green? Because the chloroplast is present, and when chloroplast is present, the chlorophyll pigment is there that helps in photosynthesis. Already you all know about chloroplast because I have discussed in cell. Clear? So always these tissue, that is parenchymatous tissues, are green in color. The cells of these tissues are green in color and they perform photosynthesis. Clear? Now next point is, few layers of cells forms a packing tissue. P for parenchyma, P for packing. Clear? So wherever the packing is required in the plant and the storage is required, that means we are talking about parenchyma tissue. It forms a basic packing tissue of plant which is always green in color and performs a photosynthesis function. Clear student? Now third point, they are loosely packed. And there is, yes, they provide support and stores food. They are loosely packed, so they have large intercellular space in between their cells. Intercellular space, now these are the intercellular space in between. These are the, yes, parenchyma tissue which is green in color. Clear? And their walls are thin because they are performing, yes student, photosynthetic process, and the storage of food is taking place which is supplied to different parts of the plant. That is why their walls are thin. Yes? See, always the reason behind bio is very easy topic. So once you have come to know about the reason, the parenchyma tissue in which there are thin walls, loosely packed cells are there, and there is large intercellular spaces present. Next is, and they also stores food. Clear? They stores food. For example, if I am talking about vegetables, radish, carrot, that means their storage of food is going on. Clear? Now next, depending upon the function, parenchyma tissue are also divided into two, that is sclerenchyma and erenchyma tissue. Colon nahi. Colon is totally different. Collenchyma tissue is different tissue. Here I am talking about chlorenchyma. That means chlorophyll I am talking about. When parenchyma tissue has chlorophyll in it and performs a photosynthesis, then it is known as chlorenchyma tissue. Yes, student. So, the same parenchyma, when it is performing the photosynthesis, that means the tissue is known as chlorenchyma tissue. Chlorophyll से chlorine होगा student. So, chlorenchyma. Next is erenchyma. In aquatic plant, पानी वाले जो plants होते हैं, जैसे आप lotus stem, कमल ककड़ी आपने नाम सुना होगा. Lotus का जो stem है, कमल ककड़ी, you can see the pores in it. छेद दिखेंगे. जैसे भिंडी के अंदर छेद होते हैं ना, उस तरीके से आपका कमल ककड़ी के अंदर भी you can find the pores. Now when the aquatic plants, the stem has air space in between. Air के spaces present होते हैं. Why? In aquatic plant means पानी वाले plant की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. In aquatic plant they have space in between in which the air is filled. और वो air fill होने के कारण आपका जो stem है वो light हो जाता है, हल्का हो जाएगा, which helps in buoyancy. Now what is buoyancy? That means helps in floating of the plant. इसीलिए आपने देखा होगा कमल, आपके जो कमल का प्लांट है वो फ्लोट करता है. वाटर हायासिंथ, हाइड्रिला, ये सारे वाटर प्लांट्स हैं जो कि आपके फ्लोट करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज erenchyma tissue? When in aquatic plant the air spaces are present in stem, which helps in buoyancy or helps the plant to float. So the same parenchyma is now known as erenchyma. Example, lotus stem, water hyacinth or hydrilla, etc. This is especially in aquatic plant the erenchyma tissue is present, which is again the case of parenchyma only. Clear student? Parenchyma is clear. It is a basic packing tissue. P for parenchyma, P for packing tissue. First function is clear. They are loosely packed. The cells are loosely packed and they are greenish in color because the chlorophyll is present and performs photosynthesis. Yes, and there is large intracellular space in between. Yes, the cells. Next is they are loose. They provide support and yes, stores food. Because they are performing photosynthesis, food is prepared there. So they are storing food also in the form of vegetables and fruits. Clear? And then depending upon their function, they are divided into chlorenchyma and erenchyma. Chlorenchyma when chlorophyll is present and performing photosynthesis. Erenchyma when air space is present in the stem of lotus or any water plant. They help in buoyancy, that is they help in floating of the plants. Clear students? It should be very, the concept should be clear. You can able to write it yourself. अपने आप लिख पाओगे. Clear? Now next type of tissue, that is simple permanent tissue का second type is collenchyma tissue. Now chlorine is totally different. Here it is collenchyma, COLLEN. Now collenchyma tissue, very important function, easy bending without breaking. You can see that आपके plants बार बार बहुत तेज हवा चलती, आंधी चलती है, bend होएगा but break नहीं होगा. Yes, so for that the tissue which is responsible is collenchyma tissue. So first point very important, helps in easy bending without breaking. आपको ये एक लाइन याद कर लेना है. ठीक है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, ये ज़्यादातर आपके लीफ के स्टॉक में होगा. लीव्स जो कि आपके टूटते नहीं है तो डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे collenchyma प्रेजेंट है. लीफ को जितना मर्जी हिलाओ, जितनी हवा चले, बट आपका लीफ आपका टूटेगा नहीं. क्लियर? एंड बिलो एपिडर्मिस, जैसे ये अपर लेयर है, इसके नीचे नीचे लीफ के नीचे नीचे आपको देखोगे कि आपका ये collenchyma टिश्यू प्रेजेंट है, जिससे कि लीव आपका जो लीव्स है वो आपके टूटे ना. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सेल्स आर लिविंग होते हैं, इलोंगेटेड एंड इरेगुलर. ये रेगुलर नहीं होते हैं. दूसरे मतलब इरेगुलर मीन्स नॉट सिमिलर एंड थिकेंड एट द कॉर्नर्स. कॉर्नर जो होते हैं ना इनके, ये थिकेंड होते हैं, इसीलिए इजीली बेंड करते हैं, सीधे होते हैं, एंड दे नेवर break. Clear? Because their corners are thickened, और जो corners होते हैं वो इनके dead होते हैं, इसीलिए they are very strong tissue. Clear? Next is little intercellular space and they provide mechanical support. इस तरीके से पूरे plant को एक support दे के रखेगा. Third type is sclerenchyma tissue. Very important point in this tissue is totally dead. जो सेल्स होते हैं इनके टोटली डेड होते हैं. आप एनसीईआरटी में डायग्राम देखेंगे, पूरा रेडिश कलर का डायग्राम है. दैट मीन्स द सेल्स ऑफ दीज टिश्यूज आर डेड. तो आपका क्या है, ये पूरे प्लांट को हार्ड एंड स्टिफ बना के रखेगा. यू कैन सी कि स्टेम में आपका जब बाहर की साइड होता है क्या, बार्क, वो आपका स्क्लेरेंकाइमा टिश्यू होता है. वेरी हार्ड, अंदर के प्लांट को सिक्योर्ड करके रखेगा और बाहर इट फॉर्म्स द लेयर विच इज वुडी. Have you seen? Woody, that means it is dead tissue and makes the plant hard and stiff. ठीक है, that provides again mechanical support, strength देगा, structural strength and mechanical support so that the plant will stand straight and stiff. Clear? Cells are dead, long and narrow. इनके जो cells होते हैं थोड़े लंबे लंबे होंगे और पतले पतले होंगे. Clear? And thickened walls due to lignin. Very important. Name the pigment which is present in sclerenchyma cells. That is lignin. Lignin, it is the pigment which is present in sclerenchyma tissue. ये lignin आपको stiff बनाने में, ये collect होते रहते हैं pigment और क्या करते हैं, वो जो dead tissues है उसे strong बनाते रहते हैं. Clear? Next is thick walls, no intercellular spaces present in veins of leaf. ये देखो चारों तरफ से thick है और सारा dead है, ग्रो होता जाता है, डेड होता जाएगा. एंड आपका जो वेन है लीफ के बीच में, मिड रिब और जो आपके लीफ के बीच में आप देखोगे पतले पतले वेन्स हैं, वो सारे स्क्लेरेंकाइमेटस टिश्यू है जो कि लीफ को क्या करके रखेगा, स्टिफ करके रखेगा, जिससे कि आपका लीफ टूटे ना. वेरी इजी. Yes, simple permanent tissue, parenchyma tissue, collenchyma tissue and sclerenchyma tissue. MCQ questions. Name the dead tissue in, yes, simple permanent tissue. Name the dead tissue, student. Yes, sclerenchyma. Name the pigment present in sclerenchyma. Bolo. Yes, lignin. Lignin. Name the living tissue in simple permanent tissue. Living tissue bolo fatafat. Parenchyma tissue. Name the tissue that provides chlorophyll and helps in photosynthesis. That is greenish in color and living tissue. That is parenchyma tissue. Easy bending without breaking. Which type of tissue? Yes, student? Collenchyma tissue. Name the tissue that has air space in between. Helps in biomass in aquatic plant. Name the tissue. Permanent. That is parenchyma. Simple permanent, that is parenchyma tissue. Clear? Clear, student? In my next video, I'll continue with complex tissue, that is xylem and phloem. Don't miss my videos. Very important. Now here plant tissue is going on. Then I'll continue with animal tissue. Okay, so thank you so much, student. God bless you all. Please like, share and subscribe and don't miss my next video. That is, I'll continue with complex tissue. Clear? Thank you.